que tú sepas que sé. Oh, how do I get started? Woo! Woo! I mean, that's a great question. I'm gonna give you a great answer. Because of an ex. Yeah, they were kind of a cheapskate. They picked Burden off a list of cheap dates on some blog they read. And they dragged me out in the cold and stare up at trees until my neck was sore. Yeah. Yeah, no, and I came back for another month after that. But one day, I was walking through this park to meet a friend. And something made me look up. And I saw it. It's cerulean warble. And I knew it was rare. I mean, I didn't know how rare it was at the time, but it showed up just for me. So I lost the cheapskate and kept the birds. Now, how about you?